Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 16666, package of 50 neon pink vinyl large key identifiers. There's small, there's medium, then there's large. The small would be for like a cabinet drawer lock. The medium is what you're going to use on your typical residential entry keys. If you add something a bit larger, like a larger head key, the medium certainly will not work. And while I can't tell you that the large would work, because I don't know really what key you're using it with, Hager has some really large head keys. That might be a stretch, a stretch to get that installed, although it might work just fine. But what I can tell you are the dimensional properties of the item. They've got it at 1 3/16, and that's going to be an outside dimension. You're going to have a slot here, right there, where you'll insert the key blade first through the backside of it into the hole, and then force the rest of the vinyl key identifier over the head of the key. In key identifiers, whether it's color, assorted colors, a specific color, or you don't care about the color because you want it for a tactile sort of situation, you might want to come home during the winter in the northern climate where it's dark early and just touch the keys and know, well, I've got the key identifier on the head of the house key, the front door key versus the back door key, something of that nature. That's why I've always used key identifiers. But your park districts, your schools, children's organizations, churches, whomever is doing or has the need for key management, having a color could be very helpful. This part number specifically is a bag of 50. So when you buy one, you're purchasing a bag of 50 of these, and the part number conspires to not only mean the size, the quantity, the packaging, and the color, but it differentiates itself from all of the other possibilities naturally by way of creating that part number. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Lucky Line products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to all of their product catalogs. We will title those that are prior versions as previous or outdated because the line is so extensive, it evolves quite often. What I like to do is pull up the most current catalog and review, do a search function, Control F or whatever it might be, and find where this key identifier is located within the catalog, and you can see there how the part number is created. So when you search for just the root of the part number, like 166, you'll get to the page where you find that, and you'll get to a table where you will find the 166 large plus the 2 digits for the key number. You can do 20 for black, 30 for blue, 40 for green, 65 for purple, 68 for magenta, 70 for red, 80 for yellow, 46 for neon green, 56 for neon orange, 66 for neon pink, and then 86 for neon yellow. You'll be able to see how the part number changes as the quantity, as the colors, as the packaging changes. This, of course, is just going to be what's called an industrial pack, where it's just the least expensive way to package these in a bag via 50. If you were looking at something, a large quantity of them, you would use the 00016666 for the neon pink. If you were looking at several hundreds or several thousands of pieces, because it'll be bulk. If you're ordering 5,000, do you really want 100 of these packages? It'd be better to go with a bulk package if you're just distributing them that way. But that catalog is an irreplaceable resource when it comes to key management hardware from Lucky Line, whose name is quite synonymous with the entire product line, whether it be key identifiers or key tags made of paper and plastic, brass and aluminum, key rings, the small giveaway key rings all the way up to the large pull-apart jailer-style key rings, novelty items like lanyards and spring-style wrist coils, and they can do custom printing on lots of the items that we sell. Think of having a real estate office or a lock shop, and you want to put your company name and telephone number on a key blank. They can do that for you, actually. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line 16666 package of 50 large vinyl neon pink key identifiers or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.